Last year, OnePlus launched the Note smartphone, its first offering in the mid-range segment in a long while. The premium mid-range smartphone enjoyed a massive reception, and so it is no surprise the Chinese company was planning to replicate the success with the launch of a successor this year. The OnePlus Nord 2 will be Note's successor, and it has featured in several leaks and teasers, but no official word about its launch. Well, until now, OnePlus has now confirmed that the flagship killer OnePlus Nord 2 will be launched on July 22. This information was released by the company's official Twitter handles. The launch event will be held at 3 p.m. UK time on the said day. The tech giant has even created a landing page for the Nord 2 on its website. Fans can register to get notified when the device goes live and also stand a chance to win a Nord 2 5G smartphone. The landing page also contains a couple of teasers of the Nord 2. The most prominent one is the MediaTek chipset that the device will pack. This is obviously in reference to the MediaTek Dimensity 1200 AI chipset that will fire up the smartphone. OnePlus had earlier confirmed the SoC will power the Nord 2. The new chipset is a customized chip from MediaTek in collaboration with OnePlus, as a part of its Dimensity 5G open-source architecture. Benchmark listing for the Nord 2 had confirmed the Dimensity 1200 AI has an improved AI performance over the Dimensity 1200. The entire specifications of the device are still unknown, but the Nord 2 5G is said to sport a 6.43-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate. And we can see a punch-hole camera cutout and in-display fingerprint sensor. The device will also come with up to 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. Now we can talk about the camera section. The device is rumored to pack a triple rear camera setup comprised of a 50MP wide, 8MP ultra wide and 2MP unknown combo. For selfies, a 32MP camera is said to be aimed under the hole punch. Interestingly, the placeholder image on the Nord 2 landing page doesn't seem to have a punch hole or notch at the top. Perhaps OnePlus just wants to keep it secret. The premium smartphone will also pack a 4500 mAh battery and will have support for Warp Charger 30T Plus fast charging protocol, among other features. If you want more information about the phone, please subscribe our channel and stay with us.